Hey guys, this is Des with Metro by T-Mobile, and today we're excited to share the new Samsung Galaxy A02s is coming to Metro by T-Mobile. The Galaxy A series is a new family of Samsung devices that can help deliver what you need to stay connected, including great screens, camera features you'll love, and long-lasting batteries, all on T-Mobile's nationwide network. In this video, we'll be covering the new Samsung Galaxy A02s. Let's check out its cool features, including edge-to-edge 6.5-inch HD Plus display, triple camera system, and long-lasting 5,000 mAh battery. Hey, we'll even see what's inside the box. Let's get started. Now, the Galaxy A02s has an edge-to-edge 6.5-inch HD Plus Infinity V display. It's great for a bright and bold viewing experience. The A02s has a versatile multi-camera system featuring triple rear camera with a 13-megapixel main camera. And it's got a large 5,000 mAh battery with USB Type-C fast charging that gives you the power you'll need to help you make it through the day. The A02s also has 2 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of onboard storage. Plus, you'll have the option to store up to 512 gigs when you add a micro SD card. Now, my favorite feature of the A02s is the beautiful modern design. It's got a smooth but slightly textured finish, which makes the phone easy to hold. The Galaxy A02s runs Android 10 out of the box and has a reliable Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Now, inside the box, you've got the new Samsung Galaxy A02s, SIM card, USB-C charging cable, and fast charger. So there you go, the new Samsung Galaxy A02s, part of the Galaxy A series, a family of devices packed with awesome features designed to help you get and stay connected on T-Mobile's nationwide network at a great price. You can check out the new A02s at your favorite Metro by T-Mobile store or online at metrobytmobile.com. Now stay tuned for our next exciting smartphone video coming up next.